Hello everyone, welcome to another video of AI in software testing series. In the previous video, already we have discussed how to generate the test cases using ChatGPT in minutes. If you have not watched that video, I would recommend you guys to go and check that video first. So link is already added in this website. You will find the link of this webpage in the description. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can write the test cases using Claude. For this, I have considered an API which we have already discussed in the previous video. So if you click on this, it will navigate you to a Swagger document page. And here we have the login API for which we are going to write the test cases now. So if you see here, already the required details of these APIs are mentioned in this web page. So what should be the schema and all the description of this particular API. So assuming that you are going to get these details in the JIRA ticket. So to generate the test cases using any AI, we need a proper prompt, right? So in the same web page, even have added the prompt to generate the test cases also. So it's not specific for any AI tool. It's not like you have to use this prompt only for ChatGPT or you have to use this for only for Claude. You can use the same prompt for any AI and you can generate the test cases. Okay, so if you click on this, it will open a document where you will find the prompt which we can use to generate test cases for API or even for web or mobile, database, performance testing, or any kind of feature testing. We can use the same prompt. So what I'll do, I'll copy this entire prompt. I would recommend you guys to go through this entire prompt and understand how exactly it is written so that you will get an idea. And if you want to exclude anything from this particular prompt, even you can do that. Okay. So I've copied that and I'm going to give that particular prompt to your Claude AI. So this is the prompt to generate the test cases. But for what we have to generate the test cases, that is for this login API, right? So I'll copy this API description as well. Copy, and you have to give it to Claude. Done. So we have given the prompt, and along with that even we have given the details of the API which we have to test. Now let's see how the Claude is going to generate the test cases. So in the previous video we used ChatGPT, right? Gave us around 45 test cases, I guess, which was including all the different categories. So here you can see it is generating the test cases. I think it will directly add the output to the Excel file or CSV. Let's see. It is still running the command. Let's wait for few seconds. Great. So now we can see that we are getting the test cases added in the Excel sheet directly, and it took around 4 to 5 minutes, but the result which we got from Claude is ultimate. So if you see here, so it has added total 68 production ready test cases across all the different category with a color code type and priority mentioned. Even you can see how many positive, negative, boundary, security, regression, edge cases it has added. And if you see here right side, we are able to even see the test cases also. So directly we'll download this. It is even following the naming convention. It has taken the JIRA login API test cases properly, everything. Let's open this Excel. Okay. So you can see here, so it has added test case ID, type, even it has mentioned some color code also. So this looks perfect, right? Even precondition, request and response body, what should be the expected behavior, status. So you can change the status once you start the execution. And if you want to make any changes in this, even you can make those changes. This is how we can generate the test cases using Claude. In the upcoming video, we are going to discuss how we can use Gemini and Copilot for test case generation. And even I'm going to continue posting videos like this as a QA, how we can make use of AI in your day-to-day life activities and make our task easier. So in the upcoming videos, I'm planning to upload videos on, creating entire framework using AI and preparing for interview using AI. So I'm going to cover all these things, and even I'm going to do the comparison between different AIs. So if you see now the example, ChatGPT gave you around 45 test cases and Claude gave you around 68 test cases. So that is a difference we have. So even we have to consider which AI we have to use in which scenario. Here we can see that Claude has given you the better output. Likewise, we have multiple AIs available, right? So I'm going to create videos on all the AIs which we can use. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, hit the subscribe button right now so that you should not miss a single video. And share this with your friends who are struggling to write the test cases. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.